Aloha. So, as I mentioned earlier in the blog, here at Waikiki Beach, as you can see in my background, so that is Waikiki. Just doing some walks and all that. Like I mentioned, it's kind of sad that I lost my GoPro and all that, but hey, you know what? Life goes on. Just have to move on from this and then enjoy the view. Yeah, so this is kind of like the calm area. You just want to like chill and relax and all that. So that's basically what you need to do. But if you're more of an extreme, like there's waves and all that, you want to go surfing. So this is beyond this rocks right here is that one right there. So you're gonna have to. I don't know if you need permission to actually do that. I don't know. But if you have a surfboard, I guess you can go surfing and all that. So you know, that's the good part. But yeah, so let me just show you a little more view of the place. So here it is. So as I mentioned, this is the calm area right here. All the strong waves are here. This is the calm area, I guess, as well. So rocks are a little slippery, so they did show a warning to it that, you know, these rocks will be actually slippery. You know, that's just be careful, you know, when you're here. So just walking and checking and all that. So yeah. So you can see the waves right here. Look at how like strong it is. And all that. So seeing this early morning, I think by tomorrow we're probably gonna go take a dip, because I guess our expectation was a little different from what we actually were told. These holes right here, once the wave is strong, it'll just go up there and all that. So yeah, so this is the place. So kind of like encouraging, actually. It's tempting to actually do it. So maybe by tomorrow we're actually gonna go there and all that. So, but yeah, so got some surfers right here. Got some gentleman right here trying to set up his camera, maybe trying to get a good footage or pictures of the place. So yeah, so this is it. This is the walkthrough of the Waikiki beach, just for today. But probably tomorrow we're gonna do more videos and all that. But today we're going to the Kulua Ranch, do the Jurassic Park tour, and then what else are we going to do? Jurassic Park, and then we're also going to go to the Dole Plantation today, and then go to that donut place, the Leonard's Donut, just to try it out, and all that. So yeah, hopefully you guys will like this video of today, and if you do like it, don't forget to like that button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and then for all of the subscribers so far, thank you for still supporting this channel and all that. And I'll see you on the next vlog, vlog. So that's it. You guys have a nice day. Bye.